YouTube. This is Andrea here.
And the other Andrea, howdy.
Woo 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 woo. I don't know why I do that. So welcome to the Happy Planner mini dashboard. This is last week's, which was the 22nd through the 28th.
It was Glitz and Glam, which is available in the shop.
And we are now in August, y'all.
Holy crap.
Holy moly cannoli.
Okay.
Holy moly cannoli.
No one says that one.
I do.
Now.
Alright, so this is our week.
Cute.
The 29th through the 4th of August. There we go. And these are our stickers.
This is the mini dashboard kit in Fall Flowers, which is the clip art. And so you have your full boxes, your washi, and your half boxes. Sorry, I'm off my game right now. Your side box, your checklists, your headers, and your icons. Your half boxes, your full box checklist, your quarter boxes, and your script icons and weekend banner.
Yay!
Yay!
So let's start with our washi.
It's very pretty.
I love the colors in the flowers in this kit.
Yeah, I really do too. It was
It's
fun.
so pretty.
It's very feminine, I think.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't think anything screams feminine more than like bows and flowers.
And flowers, right?
And hearts.
But it is gorgeous.
Yeah. It almost looks vintage.
Yes. Very vintage.
Yeah.
Thank you. Dre had to hand me my eyeballs, y'all.
Yeah. In a jar.
In a jar. I love it. Okay, and
Side
then
box.
I want to do this page first. No, I want to go over to this page and do my Monday through Sunday.
Also known as date covers. Mom has never ever gotten that term right.
I do say my Monday through Sunday.
Yep, everybody knows what it is, but nope. Mom's like, no, they're not date covers. They are whatever I make them. For it is my planner. But doesn't it look vintagey?
Yeah, the colors do.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
And not retro, just vintage.
Right. So, Drea had a question from a customer that I thought would be great to answer here on the video, even though she already answered the customer. And that is, I messed up.
What day did you put?
I put Monday, but I can't put that down until I put my boxes down.
Oh. The question was if I could change the color of the girls and the kids.
Right.
Yes. And I can. I am able to change the colors. So if you like one of my kits, but you're not keen on the color of the girl, send me a conversation and I will adjust it for you.
Yeah, you can get your girl any color you want.
Yeah, you can customize her. So
Yeah.
don't be afraid to send me a convo and I'll do my job.
She do her best to get you what you want.
Yes.
So, are there any other questions that can be answered in this video?
I don't have no. I'm
Not really?
Anything else? No. That was my first one.
Like, are all your kits just one planner?
No. All my kits are Classic Happy Planner, Erin Condren Vertical, Mini Happy Planner Dashboard that you're viewing now, Mini Happy Planner Horizontal, which is the original layout for the Happy Mini, Mini Happy Planner Vertical, Micro Happy Planner, which you guys see on my channel, and Hobonichi Weeks, and then the personal, which is Mom's other video. Those are all the kit formats that I do.
And the personal planner that I do, she does the inserts for as well.
And they are also available in the shop. So if you want a personal kit, you'll want to grab the personal inserts too,
Yeah.
because they fit them perfectly.
Yeah. Okay, now I can put, no, I gotta do my other box. One, two.
So a lot of birthdays are coming up, starting in August.
know.
In August we have my boyfriend, Timmy, so I'm happy for him. He's going to be how old?
2.
He's going to be 31.
Timmy's going to be 2.
He's going to be 31. So he's excited and he's ready for the rigor mortis, because apparently when you turn 31 that's what you go through, but I didn't. So
Oh, okay.
he's just being brat. And then Mom is in November.
Yes, that's
November?
true.
Yeah. And I am in December. And then Grandma's in February and Auntie is in January.
Yes.
So we're all towards the end of the year and beginning.
Ooh. Yeah, all at the end of the year.
And then the beginning.
All at the back of the bus and stuff.
And the beginning. And I'll be 33. And Mom will be 26.
I wish.
Somehow Mom will go back in time and be 26.
Yeah.
You'll always look and be 26.
What do I be?
49.
90. Oh my God. I was going to say 94.
49.
49. I'll be 49, y'all.
Yeah, 26.
Close to 50.
Close to 26. Oh, Mom was always my sister to other people.
Everybody thought we were sisters.
Because we were so close in age and because we looked so much alike. So it was cool for her. I always stood there defending myself. No, that's my mom. How could my sister have me? And they'd look at me like, that's a weird question to ask. And I'm like, I know, it was a weird statement.
Emptied that one out.
Nice. It's looking pretty.
It is. I'm loving it.
I like how you did the 2 boxes on the bottom.
Yeah, me too.
No. But yeah, we were sisters for most of my life.
Yeah.
Until I hit my late 20s.
Till my gray hair started coming in real hardcore.
Which would be my late 20s.
Yeah.
So, we got good genes in this family. It took a long time for you to get gray hair.
Yeah, it might have, but now it's all.
It's everywhere. Mom's got salt and pepper hair.
Yeah.
You're still beautiful.
Aw, thank
You're
you.
welcome.
You're so mushy mushy.
I am. I'm very sappy right now. So.
Oh, sticking on your script
Stickers?
icon, yeah, and icons.
Mm-hmm.
Can people request like a specific script?
Uh-huh. Yes, you can request custom stickers at any point in time in my shop. There's a button right on the front page.
Awesome.
Yeah. Or you can also send me a conversation with the title custom request and I will fill it for you. So, no worries there.
Awesome. That is so cool.
Yeah. Well, I like to be as all-inclusive as possible for everyone's different tastes, you know?
Yeah.
I like the side box.
Me too.
Oh, that's smart. I've never seen you cover up that part. That's smart.
Yeah.
Now it's useful.
I like it.
Oh,
That page turned out really cute.
that's really pretty.
Now we do our fancy page. Fancy pants. Let's see. We'll go with our box.
Our side box.
What a nice sticker.
That's beautiful.
Look at the boots, the handbag, the scarf, the umbrella. I love it.
Thank you.
And the flowers. It looks really good.
Thank you. That was my favorite picture that I knew had to go right there.
One turn.
Oh, that's cute.
You like
Black outfit
that?
to buy. Yeah.
Well, I'm going to put the
My header.
to do.
Oh, okay. Do. Oh, that's right. Yeah. I forgot that's a thing now.
Yeah.
Nice. It's more functional when you take away the.
Cute little bag.
Yeah.
And got a bag there and a bag. I don't know if I want to cover the bag up.
Well, it doesn't really match any of the colors.
That's true.
No. Oh, that's neat.
Yeah.
Going kind of abstract.
Well, you know.
Yes.
Yeah.
I have no idea what you're talking about,
Yeah.
but okay.
Yeah.
I liked the colors of this kit too. Very fall.
Yeah. They look good.
Thank you. And then you got that pop of yellow. Kind of reminds you of the summer that has passed.
That has passed on, yeah. Okay.
Weekend.
I will.
Okay.
There we go.
And you have a trash day.
That's for our happy mail. Lots of stuff to come in. Bless you.
He's shy.
It's trash day. We have an appointment.
Yes.
Monday or
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Okay. Then we have a pay date.
Nice.
And we have a day off.
Some of us do.
Yeah.
Then we have a weekend.
Yeah.
Very delicate weekend. I love how that thing cuts down.
Yeah, that's nice.
Hello, weekend.
Hello, weekend.
Ah, it's pretty.
I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The stickers turned out so pretty, Dre. I love them.
Thank you.
If you did, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.
Bye, guys.